The recent death of a 7-month-old infant at the hands of her older brother who was babysitting her has raised questions about state laws surrounding the legal age for babysitting. Here to clarify the law is Lucille Bauer with Montgomery County Police. Lucille, this was a terribly tragic situation here. Can you explain to us what the law is in regards to babysitting?
Yes. This is a situation that has brought the age of babysitting to everyone's attention. And many people may not be aware that there is a law regarding the age at which a child can babysit. We know under Maryland state law that a child can be left alone when they are 8 years old, and a child under the age of 8 can be left in the care of someone who is no younger than 13 years of age. So in this case, it was lawful for a 14-year-old to be babysitting. But what we know is those are the legal standards, and it is really up to every family to know if a younger sibling, at least age 13, or another neighborhood child who is at least age 13, is really ready to babysit. And police would really recommend that young people who are considering babysitting take a class, and there are classes that are offered by the Red Cross, sometimes at local hospitals, sometimes by scouting organizations. So it's very important for young people to know what is expected of them when they're going to babysit. It's important that parents also let those younger babysitters know that if they get into a situation where they need help, they shouldn't be afraid to call on a neighbor or another family member. And again, it's up to the parents to make sure that those younger babysitters know how to call 911, have those emergency numbers close at hand, know how to get in touch with the parents, another neighbor, friends, something to help make this a successful babysitting experience. So in this very tragic case, this young person was legally babysitting. The law does not address how long a young person can babysit or whether or not a child should be left in charge during the overnight hours. And that was the case in this incident. The young man was babysitting overnight while his mom was at work.
Okay.
So again, we ask that anyone who's considering using a younger babysitter make sure that sitter is trained and well prepared.
Okay, that's some very, very good, helpful information, Lucille. Thank you so much for joining us today. Lucille Bauer, Montgomery County Police.